Welcome to this beautiful side split with Municipal Gas, situated on an acre lot just minutes from Bolton.
With over 2,100 square feet of living space and your own separate living, dining, and a family room, this layout actually works.
This property features 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, plus your very own heated sunroom you can enjoy all year round.
This amazing backyard features an oversized deck, tons of space, and unobstructed views. This property won't last long.